Objective is to conduct a SQL injection that querying the database type and version of the MySQL and Microsoft. And according to description, these labs contain a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category folder, and we are allowed to use a union attack to retrieve the results from the injected query. Okay. Okay, let's access the lab. And according to the description, it has already been provided that apparently the vulnerable field are categories. So we'll just try accessing the clusters. So, okay. And now to confirm whether the category field is indeed vulnerable to the SQL injection, we can just add a syntax error. And as you can see, it causes the internal server, which is the application field. And the fact when we change the parameter in the URL, we can output the content from the other database. It proves that it is indeed vulnerable to using the injection path. Now, moving on to the next steps, I've already launched the web3 and to intercept the packets. I'll just click on the accessories tab again and it should intercept it. Okay, it has been intercepted. And I'm just going to send it to the Peter. I'll go ahead and turn off the Peter. And now moving on to confirm the number of columns in our page. And I'll just go ahead and first switch the modes. Okay, this is better. I'll definitely say one, control view, encode it, and then of the console, beginning into the okay, whatever set it up to. Maybe there's a syntax error. Yeah, indeed. Apparently, I was missing the pound symbol to comment the rest of the query. So I'll try again. So the timer and the phone, and then pound symbol. Select the phone, view, and yep. So now we have confirmed there's at least one column, testing it with number two. There's a second column, testing it with number three. No, there is no third column. So yeah, there are indeed two columns, as this was also described in the initial description of the log. Now our second objective is to just confirm whether these columns accept text values. And to do that, I'll just provide so and the text trending found simple on the text of the query. Okay, and just to review the query. Okay, so sending it. And then we scroll down. Yep, we do see a text. So yeah, so these columns do accept text values as well. Okay, for the next step, we'll just access the provided item sheet to understand how to crunch the version number for our database. So when I get so these are the kind values for the versions. It's apparently not a Oracle database because the commands which we used earlier, that syntax would have failed if it was a Oracle database. So the next thing we can try is a Microsoft. So I'll go here. I can click and volley. Select internet version. And because there's two columns, so for the second, we'll just type not value followed by a pound on the rest of the query. Okay, and you are encoded for you. It's sent 8.2 and then scroll down. What's the version number? Mm, should not say the lab has been completed. Just to confirm. Yep, it says the lab has been completed. Thank you.